evening to one and all. With your good wishes and blessings, we start today's evening concert in memory of our Guruji Pandit D.B. Harindra ji, Hari Smaran, an evening of Hindustani classical vocal music rendered by Shri Nayan Yavagal on the vocals today. His elder brother Kiran Yavagal on the tabla. Shri Madhusudan Bhatt ji on the harmonium, and Tanpura accompaniment by Shri Desai ji. A few words about our Guruji, Pandit D.B. Harindra. Born at Harihar on June 9, 1924, Harindra sir was the son of late Dr. D.K. Bharadwaj, the author of the very popular English-Kannada dictionary. His educational qualifications included the degrees of BSc, BT and B Music, a Sangeet Visharad in Hindustani classical music. He retired in June 1979 after serving for 30 years as a science teacher in SLN High School, Bangalore. Late Pandit Taranath ji provided the initial support to develop Pandit Harindra's innate talent in vocal music. He received regular training for 6 years under the rigorous tutelage of Pandit Shankar Sadashiv Joshi of Haveri. He augmented his knowledge by seeking guidance from late Pandit Shankar Dikshit Janthali ji of Hubli, Pandit Narayan Rao of Hyderabad, and late Pandit Ram Rao V. Nayak of Bangalore between 1948 and 1958. Pandit Harindra ji sang from AIR Bangalore for over 30 years and was teaching classical vocal since 1960. A performer and musicologist with a flair for research and experimentation, he won high appreciation for the presentation of several ragas of even the Carnatic system of music. He served as a member of the local audition board of AIR Bangalore from 1992 to 95 and was an examiner for music examinations conducted by the state government as well as Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya. One of the founder members of Hindustani Sangeet Kalakar Mandali, he also served on the experts committee of Karnataka Ganakala Parishad for the past 18 years. Awarded the titles of Nadashri and Karnataka Kalatilaka, he was felicitated by several cultural organizations like Karnataka Ganakala Parishad and Bangalore Sangeet Sabha. This evening is in remembrance of Panditji. Before we start, we would like to acknowledge the tutelage and the presence of both the gurus here, Pandit Parameshwar Hegde ji and Pandit Ravindra Yavagal ji. We would like Shri Ravi Harindra, the son of Pandit D.B. Harindra ji, to please come forward and offer a token of our gratitude to these two great artists of our own Bangalore. This program today is brought to you by our trust, Ninad Sangeet Sagar Foundation, formed on the 12th of March, registered by name Ninad. This trust has been formed with the following objectives in mind: the promotion of deserving and upcoming musicians, vocal and instrumental, in both the Hindustani and Carnatic classical genres through concerts, competitions, and scholarships; the revival and popularization of Indian classical music by training, workshops, classes, music programs, festivals, lecdems, and other related activities. On a social front, we also look towards providing monetary aid to students, scholars, and teachers, and monthly pensions to elderly musicians, and donations towards orphanages, old age homes, and rehabilitation centers. We request your kind support in this noble cause. It's my good fortune to introduce today's artists. Shri Nayan Yavagal, born on the 5th of February 1994, he hails from a family of musicians. His illustrious father, Pandit Ravindra Yavagal ji, a top-graded tabla artist of All India Radio, is a well-known artist in the music field. Nayan's maternal grandfather, late Shri Kalidas Bankar, was running a music school called Saraswati Sangeet Vidyalay in Hubli, Karnataka. Nayan showed keen interest towards music in a tender age of 3 by playing tabla, bansuri, harmonium, and singing. He started learning Hindustani classical vocal music systematically under noted Hindustani vocalist Pandit Raghupati Hegde for around 10 years. Now, as advised by Hegdeji, he is taking advanced training from Pandit Parmeshwar Hegdeji, who is a very well-known and senior vocalist of India. He has participated in many children programs of All India Radio, many inter-school competitions, and won prizes and appreciation. Awarded and encouraged with the CCRT scholarship by the Government of India, he is also a recipient of Ranga Prapancha National Award by the Ranga Prapancha, a monthly magazine, and Vocalist of the Year by Guru Kumara Trust. He has performed at various prestigious organizations and platforms such as Savai Gandharva Festival, Guru Kumara Trust, Raga Sangama, to name a few. We welcome you, Nayan. Accompanied on the tabla by his own elder brother, Kiran Yavagal, a B high grade artist of All India Radio Bangalore and Doordarshan, he started showing immense interest towards the art of tabla at a very tender age of 4. Apart from learning from his father, Pandit Ravindra Yavagal ji, he has also taken lessons from Shri Uday Raj Karpur and Shri M. Nagesh. He is also receiving guidance from Pandit Sheshgiri Hangal and presently learning under Pandit Yogesh Samshi of Mumbai. His achievements, to name a few: he participated in the Nandalal Makkala Sangha program in 97, participated in the summer workshop conducted by the Public Education Department, Chaitra Chiguru, the first prize in a competition by Vivekananda Kendra Bangalore and Rotary Bangalore South, and he has accompanied many top artists of our country like Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasya ji, Pandit Ullas Bapat ji, Vidwan Yella Venkateshwara Rao, Pandit Ronu Majumdar, Pandit Nayan Ghosh, Pandit Vinayak Torvi ji, to mention a few. He has completed his senior exams under the Karnataka Secondary Education Board with a distinction. We welcome him today, Shri Kiran Yavagal. On the harmonium, we have Shri Madhusudan Bhatt. Born into a family of Yakshagana artists, he started learning music from his uncle. Later, he joined Hindustani classical vocalist Pandit M.P. Hegdeji Padigere for vocal and harmonium classes at Sirsi. He went on to take advanced training under one of the greatest harmonium exponents of the country today, Dr. Ravindra Katoti ji. He has accompanied many famous vocalists like Pandit Parmeshwar Hegdeji, Pandit Ramesh Narayan, Srimati Piyu Sarkel, Shri Sridhar Kulkarni, etc. He has performed in many prestigious music festivals and in TV channels. We welcome you, sir. We also would like to welcome Shri Desai ji, who will be providing the Tanpura accompaniment for today. I hand over the stage to Shri Nayan Yavagal. Thank you.
Ah so प्रेम बढ़ा के जा जैन के तो ना बोलोगे तुम सो प्यारे मान आए तो मान आए न बोलोगे मैं तुम सो प्यारे मदनी मदनी दब मद पम गम गम दब म गम मगरे गरे रे सा गरे गरे रे गम प मगरे गम दनि मदनी दब मद पम गम दनि मदनी दब मग गम दनि मदनी दब म गम दनि रे गरे गरे दनि रे दनि दब मगरे सा तोर तुम गरे गम पद प रे गम प दब म गम दनि मदनी दब दम प म गम गरे गरे रे सा गरे गरे रे गम प म ग गम ग प म दब म गम दनि मदनी दब म ग नि नि दब म ग दब म ग प म गरे गरे रे सा अब तोर तुम पायले या जनकार मोरे 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 पायले जनकार मोरे पायले या 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 पायले या पायले या जनकार पायले या जनकार मोरे पायले या जनकार पायले या जनकार मोरे जनन जनन बा जय जनकार जनन जनन बा जय जनकार पायले या पम गम पद ध पम गम దని మదని ద పమ ద పమ గమ మగరి ద పాయలే యా జనకార్ నిదని ద పమ గమ గమ ద పమ గమ మగరి ద పాయలే యా జనకార్ మరే పాయలే యా జనకార్ గమ గమ ద పమ గమ దని మదని ద పమ గమ మగరి ద పాయలే యా జనకార్ మరే పాయలే నిరే గమ పమ గమ దని దని ద పమ గమ ద పమ గమ దని మదని ద పమ గమ మగరి ద పాయలే యా जनकार मोरे पायले या जनकार पायले या जनकार मोरे पायले या पायले या जनकार मोरे पायले या जनकार कैसे सुर नंद नयन सो कैसे सुर नंद कैसे कैसे सुर सुर कैसे सुर कैसे सुर कैसे कैसे सुर कैसे सुर कैसे सुर सुर कैसे सुर कैसे सुर जाओ कैसे सुर जाओ कैसे सुर जाओ कैसे सुर कैसे सुर जाओ कैसे सुर 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 जाओ सर कैसे सुर कैसे कैसे सुर जाओ सुर जाओ कैसे सुर जाओ कैसे सुर जाओ सुर जाओ सुर जाओ सुर जाओ मधुरी जब तेने हारे राम रंग चैन गया मोरे जब तेने हारे राम रंग चैन गयो मोरे तन मन सुर कैसे 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 सुर जाओ कैसे सुर जाओ रे कैसे सुर जाओ हे रे वीर जय मोरे नैना नंद नंदन सो कैसे सुर जाओ कैसे सुर जाओ रे वीर जय मोरे नैना कैसे सुर जाओ पद गरे ग सरे सर्व पगरे ग पद साद सा सद पद पग पगरे ग गरे सा सरे ग पद गरे ग गरे रे सा कैसे सुर जाओ कैसे सुर जाओ सुर कैसे सुर हमरो तुम सन मोरा लागे 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 हमरो तुम सन मोरा हमरो तुम सन मोरा लागे हमरो तुम सन मोरा लागे बार बार मिलन आए बार बार मिलन आए बार बार मिलन आए तोरे संग सुख दबय तोरे संग सुख दबय अब तो आज राग बिया हमरो तुम सन मोरा लागे हमरो तुम सन मोरा लागे हमरो तुम सन मोरा हमरो तुम सन मोरा लागे हमरो तुम हमरो सन मोरा लागे हमरो तुम सन मोरा हमरो तुम सन मोरा लागे हमरो तुम अब तो आज रागवे हमरो तुम सन मोरा हमरो तुम सन मोरा हमरो तुम सन मोरा लागे हमरो तुम सन मोरा लागे हमरो तुम सन मोरा लागे हमरो
of remembering our Guruji, Pandit D.B. Harindra ji, I request Shri Ravi Harindra to please come onto the stage and say a few words about Guruji.
Good evening, everybody. In the midst of music, any lecture will be very boring. However, I would like to be very brief and say his vision was to promote music, and it is the third generation, I think, which is promoting music again. In fact, I distinctly remember, I think Parmeshwar Hegde was one of the participants in the Hindustani Kalakar Mandali's program almost about 30 years back, if I remember correctly. And he was young like him when he was performing. And he was one of the best person. And I think it was a sort of a program to raise some funds also for the funds. I think we had done the music at that time. The vision of my father was to promote budding artists. And today that is being continued. I congratulate Abhijit and the Ninad Foundation for this thing which is going on. Typically like a Shishya. And during the early days, it was very few names we could think of. Apart from my father, like Sheshadri Gavai, or Ramrao Nayak, or Mrs. Bhave. These were very few names which you could hear in Bangalore at in those years. Subsequently, lucky that this Bangalore is encouraging artists. Mr. Hegde has come down to here to groom more and more people. and then Yavagal has come down from some other place. So there is no dearth of opportunities for people to come up in Bangalore. And then there are very good audience, very good performers. Listening to Nayan, I really envy Ravi Indra Yavagal that he has got two bright stars, both the sons are in the music. And another thing, a compliment which I would like to give to Nayan Yavagal is typically like his first interest was in tabla and then transformed to this vocal, which is a very great achievement. If you remember the people like Jasraj or Ghulam Ali, or even one of the contemporaries, which one more name I forgot, Sadashiv Garud, who was a great tabla artist, and then later on he became a vocalist like that. I think people who go from this route, from tabla to music, singing, I think they shine very bright, I think. So that way I wish Nayan Yavagal a very bright career in his endeavor. Apart from that, once again, to promote this music, we need good audience like you, then also performers like this, and then occasion to perform. Plus, Ninath Foundation, since they are doing this human service of promoting music, they may need some funds, or maybe in different formats, like say artists should come forward and then perform and things like that. So that way I request the audience also to spread the word of their main motto and see this foundation comes up further and then encourage more and more budding artists like Yavagals here. With that I conclude, and thanks Ninath Foundation for calling me over to say a few words in this occasion. I request him to continue. Please. All the best to you. Yeah. Sure.
I request Shri Ravi Harindra to offer a token of our gratitude to the artists of the evening. Shri Nayan Yavagal. On the tabla, we have his elder brother Shri Kiran Yavagal. A wonderful harmonium accompaniment today by Shri Madhusudan Bhatt. And on the Tanpura, accompanying them today, Shri Desai ji. On behalf of the Ninad Trust, we would like to thank Shri Ravi ji for his continuing support. I would also like to show gratitude towards Shri Ramu, the head of the Gokhale Institute of Public Affairs. We would request him to please come on to the stage. I would personally like to thank Shri Yavagal ji and Shri Hegde ji for gracing this occasion and blessing our trust. And a special thanks to Shri Nayan Yavagal and Shri Kiran Yavagal, Madhusudan ji and Desai ji for performing here in remembrance of our Guruji. One thing we share is our bond between brothers, Adarsh and me. You know, I'm the elder one and he's the younger one. We share the same rapport on stage. Probably it's a blessing to have, both in the same house, performing together always. And it's not just a rapport, it's a bond which goes much beyond that, beyond just the stage. Probably anything which happens, it's this musical bond which will keep us always together, something our parents always believe in, and we are to make it come true. And seeking your blessings for our students and our children. Seeing them perform on stage, they are carrying forward the legacy, and that is one of the objectives of our trust, to carry on the teachings of our gurus to the generations to come. So thanking all of you once again, I request Shri Nayan Yavagal to please continue.
जीवन के प्रति पाल करो नर, जीवन के प्रति पाल करो नर, मानुष जन्म सफल हो जाए, मानुष जन्म सफल हो जाए, जीवन के प्रति पाल करो नर, जीवन के प्रति पाल करो नर। जप तप योग यज्ञ बहुतेरो, जप तप योग यज्ञ बहुतेरो, जीव दया सम धर्म न बाये, जीव दया सम धर्म न बाये, तन मन धन कर सुख उपजाई, तन मन धन कर सुख उपजाई, पर भाव मन से बिसराई, पर भाव मन से बिसराई, जीवन के प्रति पाल करो नर, जीवन के प्रति पाल करो। दय तेरा छोड़ परमना, दय तेरा छोड़ परमना, ईश्वर अंश जन सब माही, ईश्वर अंश जन सब माही, ब्रह्मानंद त्यजो निज स्वार्थ, ब्रह्मानंद त्यजो निज स्वार्थ, पर उपकार परम सुखदाई, पर उपकार परम सुखदाई, आ पर उपकार परम सुखदाई, पर उपकार परम सुखदाई, जीवन के प्रतिपाल करो नर, जीवन के प्रतिपाल करो नर, मानुष जन्म सफल हो जाए, मानुष जन्म सफल हो जाए, जीवन के प्रतिपाल करो नर, जीवन के प्रति, जीवन के प्रति, जीवन के प्रति पाल करो
Artists of the evening, and I thank all of you for your gracious presence and blessings and support. Thank you very much. A good night.